Welcome to this video on the Estonian Kroon. We will explore the historical and economic journey of Estonia's currency, the EEK, and its significance in the nation's development. The story of the Kroon is defined by two distinct acts, the first period from 1928 to 1940, followed by a 50-year erasure during the Soviet era, and the second period from 1992 until Estonia's entry into the Eurozone in 2011. The first Kroon was born in 1928, replacing the Estonian mark. To ensure stability and international trust, it was backed by gold and foreign currency reserves, initially pegged at par to the Swedish krona. During the Great Depression, Estonia navigated economic instability by abandoning the gold standard in 1933. By devaluing the currency and shifting to a peg with the British pound, the nation successfully insulated its export economy from global financial collapse. Banknotes of the first era highlighted the strength of an emerging nation, choosing to feature images of fishermen, shepherds, and blacksmiths, celebrating the agrarian and working-class foundations of the country. In 1940, following the Soviet occupation, the Kroon was systematically dismantled. Through an exploitative exchange rate, the Soviet regime stripped wealth from Estonian citizens, forcing a transition to the Soviet command economy. The year 1992 marked a triumphant return for the Kroon. By implementing a strict maximum exchange limit from Soviet rubles to the new Kroon, the government successfully curbed hyperinflation and established a controlled, stable money supply. This second era of the currency was characterized by an unwavering commitment to the West. Through successive pegs to the Deutsche Mark and then the euro, Estonia integrated its economy permanently into Western European markets. The modern Kroon honored Estonia's intellectual and cultural heritage. Banknotes featured iconic figures like chess grandmaster Paul Keres, author Anton Hansen Tammsaare, and poet Lydia Koidula, paired with significant natural and architectural landmarks. Evolution was also physical. In 1998, the government replaced the heavy cupra-nickel coins with a lighter aluminum-bronze alloy. This was a strategic move to prevent currency misuse in German vending machines due to similarities with the Deutsche Mark. In 2011, Estonia made a peaceful transition to the Eurozone. Following a brief dual-circulation window, the Kroon ceased to be legal tender, though the Bank of Estonia committed to indefinitely exchange Kroon cash for euros. In summary, while the first Kroon was a tool for survival in the interwar years, the second Kroon served as a deliberate bridge toward full European integration, completing the story of Estonia's currency evolution.